All right, can you both hear me?
Hello, yes, I can hear you.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, we'll take up file 2023-58744, Catherine Lindsay and Brian Giroux. And it's a date and time set for hearing. Mr. Giroux filed a motion and requested, it looks like, credit for some payments. I guess I'll swear you both in. Both raise your right hands. Do you both swear or affirm any testimony you give in this cause to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. So I guess just for clarification, sir, what led you to file the motion and what are you requesting?
All right, so in the mail, date of mailing April 1st, 2023, I received a notice of rights and responsibilities from the state of Michigan, 27th Judicial Court, Newaygo County. As of the date above, it says that I owe $713 of child support, which is past due. So in regards to those payments and the time that we were getting everything filed and set it up through the court, our daughter Evelyn Lindsay Giroux started daycare back in January, and starting in the months of January, so weekly from January 23rd through, I believe it was April 9th, I was making weekly payments to go towards the child care for my daughter in that time, to make sure that while she was going to daycare, that the appropriate funds were being provided to Catherine and to the daycare that she is currently enrolled in.
All right, so the order was effective January 10th, and it provided for $205 per month child care, correct?
Correct.
All right, and it wasn't signed until March 13th, it looks like, is that right?
That does sound like the date, yes.
Okay, and you signed it, but maybe it was just an oversight, but you had been paying $85 a week in childcare for all of the intervening weeks. Is that what you're telling me?
So weekly, $85, me and Catherine decided to pay half the cost of what the daycare expenses were going to be. So we decided that to be even with our payments, that I would pay $85 a week, and then that would go towards Evelyn's daycare expenses.
So for 11 weeks before the entry of the order, you paid $85 a week?
Correct.
And you paid that direct through Venmo? Is there Venmo or PayPal? One of those. Venmo?
Through Venmo. I sent that to Catherine, and then that money would have been deposited into her bank account.
All right. And then, ma'am, I saw you nod your head. You agree that Mr. Giroux paid you the $85 a week for those 11 weeks?
Yep. I actually came here to just let you know that he has been helping with childcare for Evelyn above and beyond what you guys were requesting. So he has been helping via Venmo and as well as cash.
Okay. Now, is that ongoing, or did that stop once the order got entered?
That stopped once they started pulling the child support out of his checks.
All right, good. Okay, so you both agree $85 a week times 11 weeks should be credited to Mr. Giroux's arrears?
Yep.
All right, and 85 times 11 is $935. So Ms. Evans here from front of the court. Ms. Evans, does that all jive with you? Can you, do you have anything contrary to what these parties are talking about or saying?
Yeah, I don't have any prior knowledge as to what they were doing. I know he signed the order February 21st. That will put him overpaid for a brief period of time, just so everyone's aware of that.
Oh, okay.
And we can't credit anything owed to the state, so we could credit child support or child care or just child care. I don't know how you want to do it.
All right, well. So what's the current arrearage then?
Total owing right now is $802.44. $63.79 is in child support. $625.12 is in child care.
Does all that get paid to Ms. Lindsay?
The childcare does. And the child support does. Let's see. The medical support does not. That goes to the state. And then the confinement, of course, goes to the state.
So 802.44 could be dismissed. And that would leave about 133 left over. Does that sound right?
802 cannot be dismissed because parts of that is owed to the state.
Oh, so 625 plus 63 can be dismissed?
Correct.
So 688 can be dismissed. So 935 minus 688 is 247. All right, so folks, some of this amount is owed to the state for Medicaid probably or something like that. And that can't be compromised. That has to be paid as is ordered. But 688 is currently owed to Ms. Lindsay. I could wipe that out. That would leave about 247 that was still overpaid. And I can just leave it up to you guys to reconcile that between the two of you, if that works.
That works.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Okay, so I'll dismiss the 688 owed to Ms. Lindsay. That leaves 247 to be reconciled by the parties. And if the two of you were clawing and scratching here and not getting along, I'd probably figure out some other way to do that. But it sounds like you get along all right. You can take care of that between the two of you. Okay.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Anything else?
Just a quick question. The 247, you're saying that amount I still make up towards Catherine, or is that money that goes towards the state for, I believe there's like the insurance and then part of the like hospital fees?
No, the 247, she would actually owe you. Because you've paid her 935 above and beyond what you should have paid. There's 688 on the system currently owed to her that she's willing to dismiss, but that leaves 247 that you're still overpaid.
Okay, so from there, then we could just kind of decide what to be fair in that regards, because we're
essentially she owes you that money back because she's agreed that you paid that 85 a week for 11 weeks, and she's indicated that she's willing to reconcile that with you. So however you guys want to do that is fine. If you want to. Yeah, I'm not gonna get involved. It sounds like the two of you can work it out.
You'll
Okay.
still need to pay your monthly support going, but then you guys work out how she reimburses you for that 247.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Sounds good. Anything else?
I don't think- Thank you.
All right, great. Thanks,
I
guys.
think I'm good.
Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, you bet.
Well, honestly, it's nice to hear of a dad overpaying once in a while instead of arrearages. So that was a great hearing, actually, from Michael Page. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Why don't you let me know down in the comments below if you have ever seen a hearing like this before where the person had overpaid their child support. Anyways, guys, thanks again for tuning in to Kitchen Court Cases, and I will be back with you soon. Bye.